everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Excuse my voice, but I have a little bit of a cold and allergies maybe. I'm not sure. Anyways, today I'll teach you a cool Illustrator trick that maybe you didn't know. So first off, grab your type tool and write whatever text you want to write. I'll then change my font to something pretty bold. You don't have to, I just like it that way. Now, the cool thing is, you see these little icons? So this is draw normal. It'll be like this probably in your Illustrator, but you can change to draw behind or draw inside. So just by clicking this, choose the whatever color you want. Let's grab our brush. You can select whichever brush you want. You can double click on the brush and you can change its settings. Let's go with this. You can basically now just draw random stuff and it will automatically place it inside of your text almost as if it was like a clipping mask or anything. So you can basically create some really awesome brushes, maybe like some halftone brushes or some texture brushes, and then with this function you can just draw inside of it without having to delete around the extra parts or messing up. It's a really cool function that not many people know, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and feel free to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more design stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.